Prashanth and myself work for a local construction company, Gulf Contracting. One of our core corporate values is sustainability. When we moved in here 3 years ago, there wasn't a green plant alive in this garden. When we decided to change that, I had two concerns. One, how much will that cost me? And two, how long will it take to create anything green here? This being a private villa, I didn't want to spend a lot of money. It turned out that the most expensive part in creating greenery in a place like Qatar sits in the soil. The soil is not very rich, and to get things to grow quickly, you have to do something about the soil specifically.
The soil that we use is from everything that is in this garden.
The main ingredients is brown leaves, then the green leaves and manure and water layer by layer. It's around 8 layer or 9 layer here. We cover it totally, and after 4 days we will turn it around and mixing it again.
And end of 3 weeks, we have a compost that's rich, that's alive, and has all the healthy microorganisms that support growth of the plants that's here. We don't bring in any fertilizers, we don't treat the soil, nothing at all. It's all homemade compost. If you want 10 times the growth, you use the principles of afforest. All this was made possible by the compost that we grow in-house. Afforestation is about creating a green forest cover in any piece of land, a barren land or in the middle of the desert like we are here. You want to create self-sustaining green environment. The magic here being self-sustaining. Minimum time, minimum cost and minimum effort. 18 months ago, these were just saplings. And just look at it now.
For us, the natural evolution is to start growing vegetables in this garden. We believe for the current setup and the resources we have, that wicking beds will work best for us.
So what we've started experimenting now with is wicking beds. You can see this is all made from recycled material. It's filled with the compost that's made in-house. This is a self-sustaining system that needs very little maintenance.
We've been helping colleagues, friends, creating their own gardens within Qatar.
We have demonstrated that in Qatar, which is essentially a desert, it is possible to turn this into nice living green spaces. All you need to do is get started.
Everything that you see in Uplifting Forest comes from recycled materials, throwaways, donations from friends. Nothing was bought, nothing was manufactured.
If you want to know more about afforestation, I highly recommend you check the link below. You get all the DIY information that you need to replicate what we did here, starting with making your own compost, your selection of plants, and how to go about planting it.
Go wild, live green.